Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool one right here, and basically what these are some sunglasses, and from this brand right here. So for this brand, they actually make a lot of different sunglasses, and I reviewed a few of these already in the past. So I'm actually opening up this one right here to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it actually looks like. Let's take it out. So right here we have the actual sunglasses, and right here they do provide a little bag that also comes with a lens wiping cloth, so you use it to wipe the lens with it. Alright, so you definitely see that they do provide a lens wiper right here, and the other thing right here is actually a little bag, so you can definitely use it to like carry the little glasses inside if you guys want to, which is super nice and super convenient. Definitely really nice how they provide you guys this option here. But right here we have the sunglasses, so let's take it out. Alright, so right here you can see they do provide a little tester for the polarized option, because these are some polarized sunglasses. So right now you don't see anything, but basically once you guys put on the sunglasses, you should be able to see something on here. And then right here with the sunglasses, so let's open up and see what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take out the sunglasses, you can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. And for the specific sunglass right here, they actually come in different design and different colors. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. When you guys look at the frame right here, it definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here. You can see the high quality hinges that they use on here to hold the frame and the lens and everything together. And in terms of the nose pad right here, it definitely looks like a very cool design that definitely give you guys a very good comfort when you guys put it on as well. And also for these sunglasses right here, they mentioned that it's anti-glare, and they definitely have the UV protection on here when you guys put it on. And also they mentioned that these sunglasses are impact resistant as well, which is pretty nice. But let's put it on and see how it feels. So when we actually put it on, it definitely feels really comfortable, both with this part right here and also on the ear right here as well. When we use a little tester right here, I can definitely see everything on here. They definitely have like the S logo right here. They have like the flowers throughout the product on the side, basically the same as the other polarized sunglasses that they have. So that way you guys know the actual product is polarized. But see that once you put on the sunglasses, this is basically what it actually looks like. It definitely looks really cool and actually feels really nice as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test that product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these sunglasses, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys like this design or any of the other design sunglasses that they have. And also if you guys are trying to look for sunglasses that has the polarized option, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.